Check at the boat.
Check.
We go fishing.
We go fishing!
Let's check out the boat first. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy now. All right, so here is the top of the boat. And I'm not sure what that is. I think that's for the kicker motor. Oh, that's the foot pedal to run the kicker motor. And then here is the base. Nice detail on that. Oh. Fits together really nice. I'm really excited to build this one. This sucker's huge. This is a good sized boat. And then looks like we got the seating here. The motor, like I said, is a 150. Steering wheel. The little look at the little detail on that kicker motor, the trolling motor. That's pretty neat. I like that a lot. Gauges. Looks like could be I'm not exactly sure what that is. And then here's the prop. Seats have really nice ridges in them. Oh, sorry, that's for the kicker motor prop. Here is the motor prop. And we have the base. Look how big that trailer is. Thing's huge. And it's solid. Now I have to admit I'm a little surprised they didn't go with something a little more, you know, just on the rails right here. But here's the rims for the trailer if you want them. Cooler. Drum brakes, the suspension. Yeah, this thing's impressive. I mean, it's really got some cool parts on it. And then here's the chrome tree that it comes with. And it looks like you have two separate styles of wheels. You could either go with more of the custom or looks like, what is that? 8 spoke, you know, kind of like the white ones. Some nice rear view mirrors here. You got the shifters. Looks like chrome valve covers. Nice little bull bar on the front with KC lights. Yeah, that's cool. And then you have another chrome tree, and that one looks like it's for the boat. Just the little railings and tie-offs. And here's the tires. Not bad. Got some nice tread on them. And then the trailer tires. Again, not bad. No, it doesn't look like there's any writing on these. And then you've got the really nice just windshield set. And then you have the side windshields and, of course, the back. Let's get to the heart of it. So here is the Bronco. Really nice detail on this. I mean, this thing is really crisp. I am really impressed with this. Just how nice and detailed it is. No flashing on this at all. Maybe a little bit right there. Yeah, this thing's cool. And then here's the back cover that goes on the back. Let's see, interior, and has decent panels. You know, not the best, but it has that big old center console. And oh, here's the skis for skiing. Seats. Oh yeah, that's cool. It's got some fender flares on it. Looks like suspension, roll bar, gas can. That's cool. And then let's see, the 4x4 suspension. Nice, really nice looking radiator. Dash. Seats are really nice. I like how they have the little, like a tuck right there. It's kind of hard to see, but the spare tire actually has a Bronco symbol on it, and it has a full transfer case, which is really nice. I mean, this suspension is really nicely detailed. Really impressed with this. And then here is the actual frame of the Bronco. And then we got the motor. Not sure what that one is. Probably like a 351. just extra parts, the manifolds, the heads. Yeah, really nice. Just really nice detail on everything. So, and last but not least is check out these decals. I love these decals. The boat pretty much matches the truck, so you can match them. Let's see, it's got Ford Bronco here, so if you don't want to paint the spare tire cover, you can just use decals if you want. I like this license plate, angular. Yeah, so just some really nice details. So, and instructions are also super easy to follow. Really like them. And they all make sense. And like I said, they're super easy to follow. And then here's the back on the just how to paint it. Yeah, super cool. Shows the different rims. Here's the aftermarket. Or then maybe that's stock. Oh, sorry. And then these rims right here. So yeah, that's gone fishing. Hope you guys enjoyed this. And rush out and buy your own today. No, I'm not. Yeah, this is really cool. I'm really excited to have this. So thanks to my wife, and I will I've got another couple videos coming up, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.